This video is part of a series of 4 videos which show the Kiasu and curl-up easel systems. This is video number 2, which deals with the curl-up easels. The curl-up system is made up of a metal-shaped leg which is inserted into a bracket. The brackets can be of 2 types. One slip-on bracket, which is applied onto the backing board, or a fixed bracket with 2 rosettes, which is applied onto the backing board. Let's see the 2 systems separately. This is the slip-on bracket in which the supporting leg is inserted. The slip-on bracket is attached onto the backing board like this. The backing board is then inserted on the frame. And finally, the leg is placed inside the slip-on bracket. You'll have seen that on the top part of the backing board there is a small metal object. It is a spring which holds the backing board fixed to the inside of the frame. The spring must be fit into the top part of the backing board. The easels of the curl-up system are available in 3 different models. Every model is suitable for a certain type of frame. This is the easel for frames with thin moldings. This model, in fact, gives the right inclination to frames which have moldings of small width, or rather less than 2 centimeters. This is the right easel for frames with rather wide moldings. With this model, in fact, the frames with wide moldings from 3 to 6 centimeters have an optimal inclination. For frames with very wide moldings, more than 6 centimeters, the ideal easel is this one. The curl-up easels can be inserted into another bracket, this one. As you can see, this is a bracket with 2 holes with pointed rosettes, which need to be hammered so that they penetrate the backing board and are fixed to it. We see here how. To hammer the rosette, we advise placing a metal sheet like this one under the backing board. You first use your hands to press the bracket so that it doesn't move. Then, with the head of the bolts, you hammer the 2 holes. At the end, you can insert the backing board in the frame and apply the easel. If you change the position of the bracket, then a different inclination is obtained. We'll demonstrate now how to apply the brackets 2 centimeters from the base. We hammer the 2 holes. At the end, we insert the backing board in the frame and apply the easel. You can use just one type of easel for any frame with this type of bracket. To obtain the correct inclination, you only have to modify the height in which the bracket is fixed. We advise the mild mouse press to apply the bracket on large quantity of frames, which is described in video number 3. Until now, you have seen the easels and the brackets with brass finish. For the same models, though, Also, a black version is available, which in fact is the most sought after. All the articles of the curl-up system are available in packages of 20 pieces, or 100 pieces, or 500 pieces, as you can verify in the catalogue or on the Rinaldin website. For those who would like to have all the models in a limited quantity, we also have an assortment of brass easels, code KL30, and an assortment of black easels, code KN30. Each of the two assortments includes 10 legs per type for a total of 30 legs, 20 fixed brackets, 20 slip-on brackets, 20 springs. To be able to choose most wisely, Rinaldin provides a sample package which includes 1 piece per type, both in black and brass finish. 1 leg per type for a total of 6 pieces. 1 fixed bracket per type for a total of 2 pieces. 1 slip-on bracket per type for a total of 2 pieces. 1 spring. 1 black backing board 10 by 15 to use for testing. You will find the curl-up easel systems in the Rinaldin catalogue and on the website www.rinaldin.com.